Hey everyone, Tonya here with GelMoment. I'm going to show you today how to do a chrome fade. So what I did is I went ahead and prepped my middle finger here. I prepped that nail, so I cleansed and buffed, and then I did a really light layer of Sensationelle, and I cured it. And since this is a freshly cured coat, I can go ahead and apply my chrome. So the chrome that I'm using today is Cosmos, and all I'm doing is I just took the lid here because you need very little. I took the lid and I'm going to dip the applicator just a tiny bit in that chrome, and then I'm going to start the fade. So I'm going to fade from the top down. I'm just going to concentrate mostly on the tip of my nail first, just rubbing that chrome around and do a solid tip, and then I'm just going to slightly rub the brush down a tiny bit so it just gets a tiny bit of the chrome down a little further, and so it just fades into my other color. So super easy to get that fade. I'm gonna rub it on the tips and the sides. If you want to look at it and you want the fade to go a little further, just rub the chrome a little more, and then I'm going to lightly take the tip of the applicator and kind of work a little bit of the chrome down. So there you have it. It's kind of hard to see, but it just slowly fades down into the Sensationelle. So from here, I will take my applicator and I'm just going to lightly rub and make sure I get any extra off of my nail on the other clean side of the applicator. And then to finish it off and seal it in, I'm going to use Clearly Frisky to seal that in, just a really light layer, and cure it. And there you have it. That is a chrome fade. I hope you give it a try and post a picture. Have a good day, ladies.